YouTube loves channels that post a lot of videos, and when those videos keep people on a channel, well, for ages. That's why it recommends making videos a few times a week. At the start of 2019, we decided to make 3 videos a week for 10 years. Our channel had 380 subscribers at this point, and we had a goal of 500,000 over 10 years. I know, it's a massive goal and a timescale, but YOLO. So to hit this, we need to grow 6% a month, every month, and through the magic of compounding, in 10 years, we'll get there. Or 518,000 to be precise. The scary thing about compounding is, for the first 5 years, hitting this will only get 14,000 subs, and really it's the last 2 years where it will go nuts. This should give you an idea of the amount of time and work that goes into producing a massive channel. They don't pop up overnight, like they seem to. Anyway, 6 months in, here's what's happened and what we've learned. Firstly, subscribers. At the time of filming, we were up almost 60% from when we started. We're ahead of our 6% a month growth by 2 months, so that's a good start. Not gonna grumble, really. Number 2, views. One thing we did notice was that posting 3 videos a week seemed to boost our old videos too. That got more views through promotion on YouTube. Our numbers on new videos are small, but the amount of engagement, comments, likes, and new subscribers coming in are positive signs that the content's working. And in a few months' time, YouTube should start to promote them a little more. Should. 3, watch time. You'd think with loads more videos being made, our watch time would actually be going mad, but it's not shooting up that much yet. That's because some of our old videos from before the new strategy rank and bring in the bulk of views. We're waiting to see what happens in 6 months here before we panic, as we tend to see videos rank for search terms after 9 months, and it's only been 6. Number 4, monetization, a word I can't say. We're miles off the 4,000 hours of watch time needed to monetize the channel, but we have no intention of turning ads on for a very, very long time. With the subscribers, we'll hit 1,000 over the coming 6 months. For us, this number is more important than the watch time anyway. And by that, I mean in terms of monetization. I can't say that word. Our videos are short, so watch time is always going to be low. We don't want to make them long for the sake of it either. We'd rather have videos with a small number of views that convert subscribers more than a longer watch time, and we think that's working well. We're getting quite a few comments thanking us for the way our videos get to the point too. In the long run, that's going to pay off. Oh, and I know what you're thinking. The average video retention rate is good, so it's not the content's fault, you cheeky little thing you. We're going to do more live streams to boost watch time, but otherwise we're keeping the channel on the same pathway as before. Promotion. What's been working? Well, Cora has provided a steady stream of views to start off with, but the method of posting videos there is very time consuming, and we've not been able to keep up with our initial plan of posting once a week for a few hours. We should try harder though, because it was working. Our playlist and end screens are rocking. Many of our videos have end screen clicks in the double figures compared to before we implemented our new strategy, which was more like 0.5%. That's a big difference, so check out our video on how to get your end screens working for you in the description. The Facebook groups we've been posting to have brought in a lot of views too, so it's worth finding ones to join within your niche. And a few videos have started to appear in search on Google and YouTube, but they're not that high up yet. As we mentioned, in a few months' time, we're expecting a few videos from the start of the project to appear higher in some searches, and every month this should start to happen to more and more videos. Some will thrive and many will die, but the future of the channel counts on it. Number 6, what we've learned. The most important lesson so far has been to stay consistent. You can see from our analytics, every time we post, we get a boost in watch time. On the days we don't, it drops. It's been hard making so many videos, but it will pay off in the long run. Make sure you've got your systems in place to speed up your production. You can learn more about that here, and then watch this playlist here to learn how to rank your videos in search, because without that, we're going to have a big old struggle on our hands. Oh, and of course, subscribe, somewhere around here. And join our YouTube Unplugged Club. Once a week, we'll email you all of our week's training content, along with invites to live channel training streams, and a chance to win a free channel audit. The link's in the description.